Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I've got my Pokemon Sword and Shield booster box that I'm going to open. I actually already opened a couple. I couldn't contain myself. So I actually opened a couple of them already. Didn't get anything great, so no need to show it off. I think I had 5 or 6 packs and I only got like one holo, not even a full art. So I will just open what satisfies my my itch today. So we'll see how many I get through. Very curious to see the arts. These guys, again, I want to thank everybody who has been leaving some likes, some comments, subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I will show some bonus codes soon. Oh, just let me adjust that. Okay. Leaf Energy Potion. Right on. I like that. That's a cool card. Montegoss, Roselia, Ferroseed, Krabby, Galarian Zigzagoon, Gossifleur, Nickit. Is that, no? Oh, yeah, it is a reverse holo. I couldn't really tell. Interesting. Cinderace, awesome. I really wanted him. He was my starter when I picked up Pokemon Sword. So I'm a big fan of his. I like him, so I had to. There's a bonus code. Really want to pack him. Here we go, second pack. There is your code. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm not sure if these codes are all going to work today because it's not the. I don't think it's the official release. I know only pre-orders were able to pick it up today. Everybody else, I think it's on Friday. So maybe the codes, if they don't work today, it's cool, Pikachu. If the codes don't work today, maybe try on Friday. I'm not too sure. Reverse holo, Hoot, and Lapras. Oh, put those aside. Okay, so that's been 2 bonus cards. Alright, Rock Energy, Dottler, Corvisquire. I liked him in the game. Thought he was good. Great Ball. Wooloo. Ooh, Grookey. A Sobble. Oh, both in one pack. Rhyhorn. Reverse holo. Maractus. And there we go. Our first full art card is Morpeko V card. And there we go. Alright. Good looking card. And that is our first full art. Next pack, we got the Snorlax. Got the Snorlax on here. Let's see if we get better lighting. There's your code. Right on. Big Charm. Thwacky, Chinchou, Gunk, Galarian Meowth, Scorbunny, Sinistea, Reverse Holo Rare Ninetales, and Corviknight. Also a very great Pokemon, I think, in the game. It's fantastic. Alright, let's do another. Oh, I haven't shown. Show this one last time. There we go. Codes. Got Lapras on the cover of this one. Scorbunny. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic. Sinistea, Maractus, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, Choodle, and Poltergeist. Yeah, so the card shop I went to, they had singles on sale today as well, and they were selling some packs. But I don't think the actual release date is till Friday. I could be wrong, but happy I got my packs. There you go. Oh, it's a full art. I got a sneak peek there. Full arts. Kingler, Sobble, Pincurchin, Blipbub, Rahorn. Oh, and showing off again there. Minccino. They're the Minccino event yesterday in Pokemon Go. Hopefully everybody was able to catch a Shining Minccino. Ordinary Rod, Reverse Hollow, and ooh, Zamazenta Full Art. Zamazenta V Full Art, awesome. That is a beautiful card. Very, very nice card. I'm going to sleeve that one up very quickly. Happy I got that one. Getting the gold card would have been nice. That will do the trick for now. I'm happy with that. Yes. Put that in there. Look at that. Yes. Show off another code here. There we go. Alright, Lapras pack. Let me just clear this out of the way. Alright, so we're going to wait until when we get 5. When we get 5 hollow full art combos, I will stop the video. That's what we've got so far. I'm actually very happy with that Zamazenta. I'll take a break. I feel like I've got a good pull, but two more. Gotta get 2 more hollows or full arts. Alright, looks like we might get it here. Your code 1, 2, 4. Haunter, Raboot, Roselia, Chuto, Bug, Rhyhorn, Reverse Hollow Roselia, and Galarian Obstagoon. Alright. Okay, so one more hollow or full art, and we're taking a break. That's what we're calling it. And it's not going to be this pack. Water, Energy Retrieval, Ferrothorn, Heatmore. I get Heatmore and Heatran confused, mixed up all the time. Galarian Meowth, Reverse Hollow Quick Ball, and Raichu. I like that Raichu card. It's a cool Raichu card. I like it. Not a hollow, so that means another pack. Here we go. Oh, this is possibly the last pack of the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it going to be a full art? Is it going to be just a hollow? We shall see. Potion, Rhydon, Eldegoss, Goldeen, Yamper, Skorupi, Clobbopus. He's in the water, but he's a rock Pokemon. Interesting. Wooloo. Reverse Hollow Clobbopus. Is that what we just got? Yeah. It is. 2 different arts for Clobbopus. And the last card is Copperajah. So that is the last card of the video. Thank you to everybody for watching. I don't remember how many likes my last video got, but I'm just going to share some extra codes here. Here you go. 1, 2, and 3. Thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully everybody got a couple of codes that they can use, and yep, I'll be posting again very shortly. I like that Zamazenta. Very, very cool. Very cool. All right. Take care.